Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be talking about the pros and cons of the Logitech G driving force shifter, so let's get into it. Starting off with the basics, the Logitech 6-gear shifter is Logitech's only shifter. It is 8 years old and 4 months, so it has a lot of experience to its belt, you could say. One of the main sell points are price. It retails for only £30, which is really good. Competitors. The shifter's two main competitors are the generic USB shifter from Amazon and the Thrustmaster TH8S shifter. Now, I've personally unboxed the TH8S shifter, so if you want to see that, check the link in the description. So how does it stack up to those two? Yes, it doesn't have as many gears, but it is made from nice materials such as leather, metal and hard plastic. Now when it comes to modding this thing, there are probably thousands, no trillions of mods you can do. So if you're the type of person that loves changing their shifter knob, I'd definitely recommend this for you. Because it's been in the market so long, the community have come together to make mods and make the shifter much better. Here's a quick clip. Compatibility. Now you're probably thinking, okay, how do I connect this to PC? All you need to do is buy yourself a generic USB adapter from Amazon, and it's literally plug and play from there. Oh well, I want to use it with the new G Pro DD. Well, that's even more simple. All you do is buy yourself the Logitech G Pro adapter hub, and it's plug and play for console and PC. And don't worry, the wheel is compatible with the Logitech G920 and the Logitech G9. And that pretty much sums up the video. Would I recommend this shifter? Yes. If you own any Logitech steering wheel, I definitely would recommend this shifter for you. And that pretty much wraps up the video. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram and TikTok, and like and subscribe to the channel with post notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Hit the outro.